Volkswagen presented the hopped-up Passat GT Friday before the Detroit Auto Show. The restricted-run VW car gets more than 20 sporty interior and exterior upgrades, the most imperative of which is the organization's 3.6-liter V6 making 280 horsepower and 258 pounds-to-foot of torque. It will be offered in 4 hues: unadulterated white, reflexed silver, platinum dark and deep dark. Like the Atlas SUV, the Passat GT was composed at VW's Engineering and Planning Center in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and will be worked at the processing plant. The new GT accompanies standard LED headlights and daytime running lights, VW's more pleasant-looking R-line guard with a honeycomb grille, GT identification and a red highlight line like the Golf GTI. In back, the GT gets a dark spoiler, dim taillights and double fumes. It gets a great deal of R-line pieces, however it won't supplant the R-line in the lineup, says VW. Two-tone, 19-inch Tornado Haggles brake calipers fill the wheel wells, and the game suspension conveys a superior position. Inside, there's a group of piano darkened carbon fiber highlights, and also dark and dim seats with differentiating sewing. A cowhide-wrap guiding wheel, 8-way control driver's seat, warmed front seats, double-zone atmosphere controlling warm side mirrors are standard. It likewise accompanies VW's composition media infotainment setup with the 6.3-inch screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 2 USB ports and satellite radio. Concerning the VR6 motor, top power comes at 6,200 revolutions per minute and pinnacle to torque comes at 2,500. A 6-speed double-grasp transmission with paddle shifters is standard. Mileage is appraised at 19 city and 28 throughway. We first observed the Passat GT as an idea at the Los Angeles Auto Show in 2016 looking about creation prepared, so this introduction isn't an amazement. The main thing that is a touch of shocking is that anybody is adding more car varieties to the lineup, thinking about the way hybrids and SUVs are inclining. In any case, we'll never whine about somewhat more game in our vehicles, and that VR6 motor has been a prime-time entertainer for a considerable length of time. The Passat GT goes discounted in the second quarter of 2018 beginning at $29,940 including gold. We'll get a look face-to-face at the Detroit Auto Show.